I have no wife no more, brother. We are talking about wife. My ex-wife is doing her own thing and living her life, my lord. Understand?
If you want to speak with a member of your team about any other matter, please press 4. Thank you for contacting National Water Commission Contact Center. May I help you today?
Hello, good morning. I would like to report a leakage.
Your broken pipe?
Yeah, it's on the main road, and it I think I saw it maybe like I want to say from Saturday, and today I passed it again. I don't know if anybody else reported the issue, so I just wanted to let you guys know.
Alright, so once the reports are referred over to the office,
Right.
that's where they dispatch a team to the area to do the repair. Thank you for reporting the issue up. Have yourself a wonderful day.
All right, you too. Take care.
JP, bye-bye.
Well, Captain Jamaica to the rescue. That no man, that's just me being a model citizen. You know what I mean? That's just me being my brother's keeper in this island, Jamaica land we love. Of course, that's just me being my brother's keeper, bro. No, but that's a serious thing. Me see it from when they got do me here, and I think I had to walk home. I saw it, and I'm like, yo. I was thinking to report it then, but I think all right, people, somebody must see this because it right in front of our hardware and people yard and them. Somebody must see it. So go in there today now when I go back on the road. I see it again. When I pass, go down, I'm like, so all right. Might as well just call them and make them know, you know. This is water that we all complain about not having. So when we see it a waste, especially in these times, not because rain a fall and them thing they water waste we not for say nothing. Yeah man, say something man. Well, how the national pledge go? Let me try to remember a part where I apply right now. In the service of my fellow citizens, I promise to stand up for justice, brotherhood, and peace, to work diligently and creatively, to think generously and honestly, so that Jamaica may, under God, increase in beauty, fellowship, and prosperity. I'm going to play my part in advancing the welfare of this Jamaican race. Yeah, I know some remix the liquor part I pledge there, you see me? We don't know, I think that after we think that we can do with it to play, do you understand? I bought some things when I went on the road this morning. Get some sweet pepper, some what that? There's some city skelly and them, and I said no, I wait till we reach the other lady before I get it. When you say Aki, you don't know what's the saltfish about. I don't know when I gonna make that do. But when we want to, I just want to get the Aki them out of this. Freeze them until we're ready to deal with it. I just pick them here now. Buy some scratch bunny, some planting too. So I go pick the Aki. Go and listen to who sitting on that sitting here, you see me? On the YouTube, on the YouTube. And then you circle back if anything. I got circle back. Like the pants are high up in a circle back. I kinda need somewhere. I need something to put these in when I've picked out, yeah, so far. Go on. Hold on, let me mute the TV. Because them boy I love chat with man talking, you know. And I know say I'm here run off a turf. People, I deal with the Aki. So that in the fridge. I wonder I should have cook it first, then put it in the fridge. But so fridge, yeah, man. You just dip our fridge, so you good, right? I'm having breakfast. Look what I got. It's more donuts. I check the date on them money. Them money, them say a Saturday it expire, which is like what, 2 days from now? Yeah, the 8th. So I make sure I deal with all of them. The last of it I will have on Saturday. But I'm having donuts. Actually, I'm having breakfast. I eat one I donut them already. I'm gonna have another one. And I'm having tea, of course. It's almost 12 o'clock. When I say almost 12 o'clock, maybe like 7 minutes before 12, 10 minutes before 12. I'm gonna check the phone, figure, you know. 11 minutes before 12. And I'm having breakfast. Some people say brunch, but that's a rich people thing. You know what I mean? We not combine the two. We gotta get them separate. We not bust that style there as well. So this is breakfast. I have not seen one of these bad boys in the longest while. It's a grasshopper, brother. When you used to be younger, we used to torment the grasshopper them, you know? Catch them in our hand and sit and run them down in the grass and them thing there. And just torment them for no reason. Pop off their foot. Yeah, I know it's evil. But a long time I don't see them. What go on, youth? Thing jiggy? Open a video light, man. Open a video light. What go on, vlog? It's a new day. Wake up this morning, me eat some food. Not even food. Me eat my regular biscuit with a donut. I don't know, for some reason I think say a Saturday the donuts expire on a Saturday. I think about Sunday, Monday. Yeah. But anyways, me eat that and then I was alright and then me just have like this uncontrollable hunger. So I bust on a bun and cheese. I know me I go hungry same way after this. I don't know what I go on, brother. I'm just constantly hungry. I don't know. And then because I eat cheese again, so I have to deal with the consequences of my actions. There's this idea that I have in mind in terms of producing content that I really want to get on the road. But damn it, man, my internet, that beat me bad, brother. I still do it same way. What I want to do today is do a test stream with my DSLR to see how long the battery lasts. Usually when you stream, you have to have the battery where you plug in and, you know, camera constantly I get power. But I don't have that yet. I just have the regular battery and then the regular batteries I give trouble. So I'm going to do a test stream today to see how long the regular batteries will run for. So I know how to structure the content we ever try to produce. Never write the short film. I have the idea. Never write it out though. So that may have been a failure, I don't know. Probably vlog like a piece when I stream. For now, I just go and build back and fight off that hunger, yeah. But they pace back and forth in the house like a madman. Of course you don't know. Them soaked peanuts, bruh. Because I feel a bit flustered. Because I try make sure say the idea where I gonna put forward there. You know, it come out the right way. You know, I just feel out of balance. But through my brain I move, you know. And during that process, me even get a new idea what I can do. So if on camera did there somewhere in the house, you know, would see me and move back and forth and all. But I know I'm just telling her now, you know, when I hear it from me say that I go on. I try to figure it out. I just want to come out the right way. I know people are gonna like it. But I'm gonna do the test stream. I do a test stream already, not live. I do a private one. And then let me see if I can show you. Yo, one, so I just came to test how stable the connection be in terms of me doing the show from phone. And we see how it work. If it work good, then you know, thing I go lit. But if it don't work good, then thing not go lit and I go vex your shit. Alright, so no, this would have worked perfectly with this, you understand? Because we would have the other phone, then the other phone would have linked to that and then we can show the on screen while me there so. Well, and then no man. Oh no, that don't go work. No, go work, brother, that don't go work. Alright, so the whole idea of the show I try to bring want fans to be able want fans to be able to join in live with me. Because it's basically like a game thing where I can do. So I want fans to be able to join in live with me and play the game. With the camera on the phone, it seems like everything is alright, everything seems stable. But with using the DSLR through the laptop, it kind of move a little bit slower. I try to figure out how maybe I need to delete some things off my laptop. And also I connect the Ethernet card now. So I have to use Wi-Fi, which make the streaming process more smooth. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. What is the best way to go by it? Through the phone, through the DSLR, using Wi-Fi, or using the Ethernet card, sound, all of them. I can't believe that YouTube itself now have something where people can just, make a request and you join them in. Maybe it is there. I don't know. We're going to find out today. That's the purpose of the test stream. Don't circle back on and everything I go on. I forget to take out the vlog while I was live. But what I can do is show you a clip. Hello? Is anybody there? As soon as you reach 100, then you start making a know I go on. I don't have no wife no more, brother. We are talking about wife. My ex-wife is doing her own thing and living her life, my lord. You understand? But when the right time comes, me talk to you about all of that. Does not feel like a time to talk about that yet. And maybe I will never feel like talking about it because it's not really that important. It's two adults making decisions to just go them separate ways, You see what the big deal, you know what I mean? I understand that me introducing it to her, but when I half it say, oh, this and this and that and that. If I see my ex-wife around me no more, that means that she not there no more, she live. For your life and me there over here, so I live my life. You understand? Yeah. See that? That was a clip from it. Maybe I have to just close out the vlog, yeah? I'm trying to go to Mega eat for dinner. Maybe I have some ramen again, brother. Just some simple ramen, because I simple ramen I bust down last night. So I might just do that again. So that's gonna be the end of the vlog, people, because I don't need to get that vlog here. So until the next vlog. Look more.